channel. This is Christine. Anyway, if you're new here, I would really do appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button below. Anyway, for today's video, I am going to do a request. So this artist is a request by Mr. Dolcier, and he asked to do a reaction video to Alejandro Sanz. So okay, let's go to his song Amiga Mia. So this is an official video, and wow, this has a lot of views. I just noticed right now, 333 million. I hope I could gain subscriber on this. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. Alright, let's go. Who is Alejandro Sanz? Oh wow, whoa. He is very handsome. And I love his voice. It seems like there's some huskiness on it. Okay, let's continue. I want to see more. I am wondering if that is natural. That is his natural voice. Wow! I don't know what to say. Really handsome. My goodness. Alejandro. Oh, that was a very beautiful lady. That is really one of a kind voice. I mean, I really love the hoarseness of his voice. My goodness. This is incredible. I was amused about the story, because yeah. I'm really amused about the story. I didn't understand it yet. If there's someone going to, they're looking up. Anyway, let's talk about his voice. My God, I love his voice. So romantic. I love the hoarseness of it. Oh my goodness. I never heard anyone sing so much, having so much hoarseness of his voice while singing. So much hoarseness. My God. It's kinda sexy, you know. Sexy, sexy voice. It's over. Oh wow, I love his voice actually. Really, I really love his voice. His voice of his voice is really sexy, you know, and he's handsome as well. I just don't understand about the music video, the story, because because I just don't understand what he's singing, but it's really beautiful. I love his voice. I hope you like my reaction to him, and if you do, hit like and click subscribe and comment down below what you think about it. So, alright, I'll see you again next time. Bye!